How to set up Onyyx system through Onyyx Mobile App. First, you have to open the app and you'll find Add Hub, which is also called Site, and you can scan the QR code, which is backside of the Onyyx Hub, and please enter the site name or the hub name or the project site name. Like here, we have done demo kit, and you can go to the optional connection settings and you can just check in what setting it is there. Currently it is there in SIM card settings, and post to this video we'll also add the Wi-Fi to the same network. And once you go back, you have a downside. There's a proceed button to go back, and once you go back you can add all the sensors to the main hub. Right now we are scanning the motion sensor. You can, by default, when you scan, the system will tell what type of device it is, and you can rename or you can add a device name. For example, motion in kitchen area or demo kit 2, something like that. Here we have used our own name, and you have to select the area, whether this is going to come inside the house or outside the house, and then you have to finish the setup. The same way, once you have added a setup, you have to go back to the main site, and this is the site. You can also add the logo, which is the home site or your project site. You can go to the device and you can see the motion is there. And next you can add your next sensor. Here we have taken door sensor. You can scan the QR code. If the QR code is not scanning, you can also manually type the serial number which is mentioned in the sensors, and make sure that those sensors, you keep it close and you can scan it. If not, you can manually enter the serial number. And you can see there is a name India in the sensor. This is Indian approved frequency sensors. So in India we have approved by Ministry of Telecommunication. In the door sensors, same, you have to rename. You can keep a device name like door, kitchen area or your terrace door area, and you have to select default whether it's inside house or outside house and finish the setup. It will take hardly 2 to 5 seconds to add the sensors to the system. Once you add the sensor, it will have a beep sound in the main hub, and you can also check now. When we open the sensor, you will see immediately there is a notification here that the door is open with a GIF image, and once you close, the icon goes. It will also show you the activity in last 5 minutes every time. And third is you can add the next device to the hub. Here you can add the key fob directly by scanning it, or you can enter the serial number. You can give a device name like remote of remote's name. So here they mention as remote DM2, and you have to select the area. And the important point is you have to select the control all areas, or else when you arm the system through key fob, all the sensors will never get armed. You have to control all the areas, inside areas and outside areas, and you will see the remote is here. And when you check the sensors, you can see all these sensors here. It will show their status, the signal strength, it will show the battery status. So it also has an option called bypass, where if you do not want one of the sensors to be, not to be enabled, you can do that. In the Onyyx Hub, you have the first icon, green color, which means all the devices are ready to arm. If any one of the sensor is not ready to arm, this first icon will be disabled. You can see here, the moment it is open, which means the hub is not ready to arm. So you will make sure that it is not, some sensor is open. When you go to the app, you'll find which sensor is not ready to arm. And second icon shows the signal strength. It is connected to a SIM card right now. And the third icon shows the power enabled, powers given to the hub. When you go to the 3-dot line, you click it, you will find all sites. You can have multiple sites, multiple hubs in one app. You will find that the signal strength of the app, SIM card network, it will show the battery status, it is powered or not, and the system is disarmed. In the same time, when you go inside the app, you have a pencil icon where you can go to the optional connection settings, and here you can choose your Wi-Fi, and then you can enter your Wi-Fi username and password. We have disabled in the video just for the privacy thing. So you can enter your username, password, and once it is saved, you can see here. And here we arm the system, and the moment the system is armed, you can find here orange light blinking in the first icon, and when you press the disarm, it is disarmed here. It's become green color, so which means it is ready to arm. Right now, when you press the panic button, the hub is making noise. We have made it mute here for the sake of video recording, but you can check on your own. You go to the settings of the sites, and you go to the events, and all the events will be here. And it's an hub comes with an inbuilt siren sensor. There is no need to buy an indoor siren. They're also soon coming up with an outdoor siren in the upcoming days. And we have also partial arming, partial disarming. So you can choose which area, which device you want to arm. And if you want to skip one of the sensor and arm the system, you can bypass those sensors, which means those sensors will be not when you arm the system. And also you can go into the door and find the status of it, and you can bypass all the products using the bypass click option through the mobile app. Once your configuration is done, and you can check with your system is armed right now, and the moment system is armed, and if you open the door sensor, there is a sound came. Also because the hand has shaken the motions are also sound came. And this is IDS Onyyx system, and you can buy from Lehagan with a master distributor of IDS, part of Yale group of Assa Abloy. Thank you.